Hello guys, welcome to the 8th session of using Microsoft Board Framework, LUIS and Cognitive Services tutorials for beginners. In this session, we will create prompt dialogues in boards. Till now, we have just displayed a message to the user. We have retrieved text messages from the activity. In this session, we will retrieve the value from the user by using prompt dialogues. There are prompt dialogues available for you to use to manage conversation flow, and each of them will render differently on several channels. Prompt dialogues that allow the users to model conversation and manage conversation flow. The prompt is used whenever a bot needs input from the user. You can use prompt to ask a user for a series of inputs by chaining the prompts. Now, Board Framework supports those prompt dialogues. By using text dialog, we will retrieve text from the user. Using confirm dialog, we ask the user for confirmation. Using number, we can retrieve the numeric value from the user. In choice, we can provide a list of options from which user can select any option. Using attachment, we can obtain image or video from a user. In this session, I will show text, confirm and number prompt dialog to the user. Here is an example that we are going to create. Let us switch to Visual Studio. Create a new class file under Dialog folder named Prompt Demo and also add those 4 namespaces. Here I will extend it from iDialog. Let us implement its method. Here I am going to create 2 private variables that contain name and age. First of all, we need to return thanks message in starting. For that, write await context.postAsync and pass the message. Let us create a new method named getNameAsync and take iDialog context and iAwaitable of iMessage activity. In this method, we will just show text prompt dialog for obtaining the name from the user. For that, write PromptDialog.text, which takes several parameters. Let us add context and pass the context. Next, set resume, in which we need to pass method that will perform the operation. Let us take resume getName and in prompt set value that will be displayed to the user. Let us display, please enter your name. In retrieve, set value that will be displayed if the user enters wrong text or not matching the criteria. I am writing here, sorry I didn't understand that. Please try again. Because of this method, return task, we need to write return task.completed task. Let us create a handler for that. I am copying this method and pasting it and changing the name to resume getName and change the second parameter to the type of iAwaitable of string. First of all, set the value that we have got to the property. After retrieving the name, we will retrieve age. For that, we need to use prompt dialog of number type. And in resume, change to resume get age and change message to please enter your age. In the prefix, I am going to add a name so the user can feel more interactive. And remove return statement. After displaying prompt for age, we need to process it. Copy above method and paste it. Change method name to resume get age and here we will get iAwaitable of long. Assign result to age. Now we will prompt for confirmation. So change number to confirm. Change resume to resume confirm. And change prompt message to your name is this and your age is this, right? Again copy this method. Change the name to resume confirm. Change second parameter type to iAwaitable of bool. Remove all existing code. If await result, Here if user press yes, then we got true. Otherwise we got false. Here if it is true, then we need to display value name and age to the user. For that write await context.postAsync and write an entire message. Otherwise we need to return here I have doubt. And if we got false, then we need to pass it to the previous dialog. For that, write context.done method and pass a string.empty or this. Here we have created three prompts for name, age and confirmation. Now we need to call it from startAsync method. For that, write context.wait method and pass getNameAsync and open message controller in sendAsync, pass new prompt demo, save all the files and run it. Open emulator. Let us set hi. Here we got a welcome message from both and type Nilay. We got Nilay. Please enter your age. Let us take 20. And we got confirm dialog. Let us select yes. It shows all details that we write. Let us start a new conversation. Write name and age. This time I am going to send no. We have switched to old dialog, that is thanks message. Now I am going to add some more properties and features in our example. This retry message will be prompt when the user enters invalid values, for example string, in number prompt. In that situation, retry message will be displayed and again try to obtain value. However, there is a limit of retrieve attempts. We can specify number of retrieve attempts using attempts parameter. In case of number, we can also specify minimum and maximum value that can hold. For example, if you want to allow the only person with age 18 to 50, then you can write this. In confirm dialog, we can also set values for the option. For example, instead of displaying yes and no, you want to display yes and no. We can also change prompt style, how options will be displayed. Let us change it to per line. Both framework also supports Markdown syntax. If you are not familiar, then Markdown allows to set bold, italic, heading, underline, strike through, image, hyperlink, etc. I am attaching a link for reference that contains all these cheats. Here in case of confirmation, I am going to display the value in italic. For this we need to write text between single asterisk. And in case of the last message, I am going to display text in bold. For that, use double asterisk. Save the file and run it. Open emulator. Start a new conversation. Send hi. Write Nilay in name. 10 in age. Here we got text, sorry, I didn't understand that. Please try again. That we have stored in retrieve parameter. Now I'm going to send 60 and again send 60 and one more time. Now we got an exception of maximum number attempts. Let us start a new conversation. Send Nilay 20. Here both value in italic. We got yeah and nope in the text. Here we got a success message and both values in bold. Let us see what we have learned in this session. Prompt is used to obtain values from the user. There are 5 types of prompts as of now. We have created this example. To display a text prompt, we need to use PromptDialog.text method and set context resume prompt parameters. Along with those, we can also set retry message and maximum number of attempts. To display number prompt, we need to use number method. We can set minimum and maximum values for that. To create confirm prompt, we need to use confirm method. We can additionally set labels for options and its prompt style for channels. In this example, I had used per line, but I suggest you to use auto. We can also use markdown syntax in messages. We will use form flow for multiple choice instead of choice. We will see in next session. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.